Hey, what's up guys? Outskirt was super cool and sent me this mini pump here for free so I could try it out, test it, show it to you guys and give you my opinion on it. So first thing you can see is it comes in this really cool drawstring bag. These are some of the attachments. This is the actual pump. Have a few more attachments and then the charging cable that it comes with. So USB to USB-C charging cable, which if you look here you can see there's the power button, and then under this flap here is the USB-C where you charge it. I'm going to walk you through some of the features and then actually show it in use so you can see how it works. First thing to say is that this side over here has an LED light on it. So if you're camping, you have the loops on the top of your tent, you can just hang it from the top and have a lot of light to illuminate your tent. Tap and hold that power button and then you'll see the light comes on. And there's 3 settings. So this is low, medium, and high, and then hit it again for off. You have the option when you use this thing to actually inflate whatever it is that you're inflating. So like for me, I will be inflating things. Airbeds, mattresses, pillows. One side you can use to like suck the air out of whatever you have, and then the other side is to inflate, to push the air into it. So the side with the light is what you use for inflating. The opposite end is what you use for deflating. I'm going to go ahead and use one of the many attachments that it comes with, and I am actually going to inflate for you one of the Outskirt inflatable pillows that I have. It fits right in there. Double tap to turn on the air pump. Then you can see how quickly and easily it blew up this pillow, and then you'll also notice that it's powerful and has enough air to make sure you have what you need, but it also won't overinflate. So as it starts to reach a certain pressure, like the air, it won't force too much air in, so it'll just kind of have like backflow a little bit, so you can't overinflate. So that's really cool. And then when you want to like take the air out, put away whatever you inflated, you can take your fitting, put it on the opposite end, and then open it up, and then watch, you'll see as I have it in there, I'll turn it back on and it will actually suck all of the air out of this pillow. So I'm not sure how well you could see that, but it definitely does a really good job, whichever way you want to use it. Again, it's a super mini pump, but it's very powerful. Really good for anybody that's like me, minimalist, that wants to keep things simple. Definitely recommend getting this.